Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we do have 30 minutes of MobyMax. Remember, you need to get that completed during school. You have all week to get that done. For first, third, and fourth period math classes, their semester one review, you are to finish that up during warrior time and get that completed. If you are in 6th, 7th, or 8th period math, and you did not get that done this afternoon, you need to go through and finish tonight or finish during warrior time tomorrow and turn your papers into the blue box in Mrs. Caparini's room. In science, we've got lesson review, page 213. We're doing problems 1 through 6 and number 9. Please make sure that you're using your notes as well as the lesson that we were working on in science. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we have our figure of language handout for Spam-O. Remember, you were taking the paragraph at the top of the handout in class. You're then flipping your paper over and spelling out Spam-O, S-P-A-M-O-H, and you are then writing the corresponding sentences from the paragraph in order to fit and match in with our simile, personification, alliteration, metaphor, onomatopoeia, and hyperbole. And in literature, we have our happenings in history that's due at the start of class tomorrow. This was assigned yesterday. We had library today. As I said in the video last night, make sure that you did not sit here and slack off because there is work to be done tonight. So hopefully you got that done. Everyone have a fantastic Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.